10 incredible vitamins for nerve damage. Have you ever experienced a strange, tingling sensation in your fingers or toes, like tiny sparks of electricity? Or perhaps you've felt persistent numbness that just doesn't seem to go away. If so, you might be dealing with nerve damage, a condition that affects millions of people but is often overlooked. The good news is that there are natural ways to support your nervous system, and it starts with nutrition. In this video, we'll explore 10 incredible vitamins that can help repair and protect your nerves, potentially alleviating those uncomfortable symptoms. Let's get started. Please note that information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for the health of your nervous system. It plays a critical role in the formation of the myelin sheath, a protective covering that surrounds your nerves. Without sufficient B12, your nerves can become exposed and damaged, leading to symptoms like tingling, numbness, and even cognitive decline. Foods rich in B12 include fish, meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. 2. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is crucial for converting carbohydrates into energy that your body and your nerves can use. It's particularly important for maintaining proper nerve function, as it helps to generate the energy that your nerves need to communicate effectively. Whole grains, nuts, seeds, and pork are excellent sources of thiamine. 3. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is essential for the production of neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Without enough B6, these signals can become weak or confused, leading to nerve-related issues. This vitamin is found in foods like bananas, potatoes, chicken, and fortified cereals. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is well known for its role in bone health, but it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can protect your nerves. Inflammation is a key factor in many forms of nerve damage, and vitamin D helps to reduce this inflammation, supporting overall nerve health. You can boost your vitamin D levels through sunlight exposure, fortified dairy products, and fatty fish like salmon. 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps to protect your nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also aids in the repair of damaged nerve tissues, making it an essential vitamin for anyone dealing with nerve issues. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach, and broccoli. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. While not technically a vitamin, omega-3 fatty acids are essential for nerve health. They help to build and maintain the structure of your nerve cells, ensuring they function properly. Omega-3s are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce nerve pain. You can find omega-3s in fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. 7. Vitamin C, the collagen booster. Vitamin C is crucial for the production of collagen, a protein that helps to repair and maintain the structure of your nerve tissues. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your nerves from oxidative stress. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are all excellent sources of vitamin C. 8. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Vitamin B2, or riboflavin, plays a vital role in protecting your nerves from oxidative stress, which can lead to damage over time. It also helps to maintain energy levels in your nerve cells, ensuring they function optimally. Eggs, lean meats, dairy products, and green vegetables are good sources of riboflavin. 9. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that helps to relax your muscles and nerves, reducing tension and preventing spasms. It also supports the production of neurotransmitters, aiding in proper nerve function. You can boost your magnesium intake with foods like dark chocolate, avocados, nuts, and leafy green vegetables. 10. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is a powerful antioxidant that helps to regenerate other antioxidants in your body, enhancing your nerve function. It also improves blood flow to the nerves, which can help to repair damage and reduce symptoms like tingling and numbness. ALA is found in spinach, broccoli, and red meat. Nerve damage can be a challenging condition to manage, but incorporating these vitamins into your diet can make a significant difference. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, you can support your nervous system, promote healing, and potentially reduce symptoms. However, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have an existing health condition. Taking care of your nerves starts with taking care of yourself, and these vitamins are a great place to begin. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.